everyone! Welcome to Magical Candyland!
Hi, friends! This place is so great to play games together.
Look! This is a big red lollipop! Blue spiral, yellow stripes, green base!
Crab! Flying around! Fighting sun with someone in Candyland!
What trick? Swing high! Good counting, everyone!
We swung so high!
This is a round gummy bear!
I throw the ball. I catch. Chug a box. Turn again.
Great throwing, great catching! You are playing so well!
Let's jump! 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 Yes!
You jump so well, fast and slow! You are amazing!
Let's float left. Float right. Float up.
You are doing so well!
Left, right, up, down, spin.
This is Chocolate Bunny. Bunny says,
Hop, hop.
this is Jelly Bean Frog. Frog says,
Ribbon.
this is Lollipop Bird. It says, tweet, tweet. Now it's time to clean up our candy toys. Let's work together. I pick up the round ball.
I put the toys away.
Thank you. You are very kind and helpful. Good job cleaning up.
You cleaned so well. Now let's have a candy parade. Let's march. Hop, round gummy ball. Jump fast, jump slow.
Now we share the sweets. Sharing makes us happy.
Here, this is for you. Please enjoy. Yellow blackberry. You are sharing so nicely. Good job.
Let's dance together. Let's dance. Spin, jump, clap. I spin a lot. I jump, I clap.
Look, a candy rainbow. Let's name the colors.
Red, blue, green, purple.
You know all the colors so well. Let's build a big candy castle together.
I put the square block here. I put the round tower on top. Square, round, triangle. Now let's play hide and seek. 1, 2. Hide left, that. Hide behind me. Hide, come. Left, right, found you.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's have a feast.
What would you like? May I have a red jelly beans, please?
Thank you.
Please and thank you. Make sharing sweeter.
Now I will tell a story. Once upon a time, a little girl slid down a red lollipop. She jumped on a round gummy ball. She met many friends.
She shared her candy. She danced with friends.
I slide.
I jump. I dance. I share.
Bravo! You are wonderful!
Goodbye, Chocolate Bunny. Thank you for playing.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Goodbye, Jelly Bean Frog. Thank you for playing. Goodbye, Lollipop Bird. Thank you for playing.
Let's remember everything we learned today.
Colors red, blue, yellow. Shapes slide, jump, dance, share. We say please and thank you.
Thank you for watching. We had so much fun in Candyland. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Come back anytime. Learning is always sweet with friends.